Good morning, everybody. Hello, chum. Good morning. How we doing? How are we doing this fine morning? I've got some bad news. I may have to buy me a new jacket soon. So this one here I've had since 1995 is starting to break on me on the inside now. Sag. Absolutely sag. I love this jacket, man. It's because my grandfather gave it to me. But good morning. How are we doing? How is all the beautiful peoples in the chat? Good morning to Zashan and Endless over on YouTube, Omega, William, Lil Tufu, and Faven over on Twitch. Morena koutou katoa. It's another cold day today, so but to make up for it, we have coffee. Get warm. Get warm. Hey. Kia ora from Brisbane, morena. What's up, little Kate Kun? Brother, I am Kiwi living in England, love your work, brother. How are you over there, my bro? Che. You over there for study, brother? It'll not be morning or summer, I have to turn around and start my shift. So I'll just drink my flat white, then we'll start. So if you went around yesterday, we started the other Mania face, and we're all moulding things today. Still got a lot of timber to take off. Good morning, everybody. Some tea in the morning myself. Oh, I just drink it just because wife bought it. I had a shit sleep too. My kids slept with me last night. It was just me and my kids, and I have no idea how a small human being can take up so much space, and all I'm left with on the bed is a corner. Should sleep but still feel good. What's up, brother Tommy? I'm in Melbourne. Oh yeah, bro, I loved Melbourne when I was there. That's cool. Kind of reminds me of this place. Been back home in 7 years, my bro. Missed their place, but have seen the world. Nice, bro. That's the one. Go see the world, bro. Home will always be here. Highs will always be here. So will the pineapple lumps, my bro. You come home when you're ready. How are you today? Feeling good? Yeah, I'm feeling all good. I won't lie to you guys. I never do. My sister-in-law's going through it right now, so yeah, I've just been helping her out with her mental state, but yeah, just between us, pretty much. That's why my wife's home today. While you're listening to lo-fi, I'm listening to Blast. Take that, copyright. So out of curiosity, where you from? I'm from the little small place called Te Ika, Maui, my bro, the North Island of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I live on a giant stingray. Yeah. In a town located in a dormant volcano. Like, not even lying. I actually am. warm, baby, baby. That's what we had. But yeah, that's we're gonna be molding again on the Manaya. So we started the second head yesterday. See. Sorry, I'm a bit of a man-child with a degenerate brain sometimes, but yeah, he's getting hit. Sorry. I thought that was a pretty good one. Makes you feel better. I live next to the largest volcano in the world. Hey, our geothermal pools are connected to Yellowstone. High five. So if they blow up, we got like an hour and a bit to get out. My guy, how was it there, bro? I heard it's quite a wonderful place there too. Hey, sorry, I got your Discord too. I'll fill it out probably before for the day because I gotta go up to Auckland on that day too. I'm gonna watch Teddy swims. What's up, Mohammed? But I could still be caught in the blast if I guess I'm in Ohio. Oh, okay. Ohio. Alright guys, that's us. So that's all we did yesterday. So that's all we've done. Alright, let's go. So this is called a Manaya. A Manaya is a guardian in our culture that, you know, looks after us no matter where we are. Whether it be around your neck as a pendant or in your household as well. So this is him here. 2 heads. Because there's 2 birthdays, okay? So yeah, so that's all we've been up to. Go! Just touch wood in the morning. Man, chug the coffee, accept the bathroom break in 30 minutes. I'll be honest, bro, what makes me shit like an absolute raid boss is probably KFC. This is what we're up to, Fido. Please tell me I did not miss someone subbing. It hasn't popped up yet. I should really pump up the activity feed too. Custom make me one? I'll be honest, brother. I'm not really one to ask for stuff. It's just, yeah. That's me personally, but let me just check activity feed for Twitch. No, it says of someone subbed, but it hasn't popped up. Huh? I'm gonna pop the activity feed out so I can keep an eye on it. Alright, let's go, eh? Let's push! Morning wood, baby! You're right. Let me just take a photo before we start. So yesterday we did all of this here. Oh, so we pretty much just started from scratch. So we did all of this yesterday in the stream, pretty much. Obviously, it's still far a ways to go, but essentially this is what we pumped out yesterday. Kia ora from Switzerland, kia ora my bro. Let's go. What we should do before we even do this is set a depth line. So it's something we don't want to go past, okay? Hey! Thanks for helping me with the advice on yesterday's stream. I really appreciate it. I did see your DM as well, brother James. Just know, my bro, if you can't make it to the stream one day, just know that this place will always be here for you, my brother. You're not alone, my bro. You're not alone. And why aren't people subs popping up right now? I do apologize if people are subbing and it's not popping up on the stream. 3 people have subbed so far and it hasn't popped up on the activity feed. Or the stream. Oh, there we go. Raba, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 8 months, my bro. How was Matariki? Good, my bro. Good, good. If you don't know what Matariki is, chat, it is the herald of the Maori New Year, which we celebrated over the weekend. So, Happy New Year's. And, yeah, oh, my kids enjoyed it, brother. That's the main thing. Something I've always wanted them to learn. And now my kids know how to find Matariki in the sky, which I'm very grateful for. What's up, rude stuff? We on the vibes today, chair. You know about the vibes. We're on the vibes today. I had a shit sleep, but I feel good. I don't know, just lately I've been waking up and, you know, thinking about something I'm grateful for every morning, and it's been become somewhat of a morning ritual. Alchemy. Thank you very much for the 3 months, my brother. I appreciate you, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. I hope you, most of all, you were enjoying the stream as well, man. Right, to those that are watching on YouTube too. Much love, much love. Might fire up the TikTok again today. Probably gonna be a lag fest, but yeah. I'll be shooting a vlog this weekend, shit. Shooting a vlog this weekend, since we're going to Auckland this weekend. I might just do some more dance. Nah. So Pano NZL, kia ora. Stay some mahi, my bro. Alright, what are we looking for next? See, still one of the chisels I have the trouble trying to find, and it's probably right in front of my damn face. Cracking it. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do. So the reason why I use the round is just to like set the shape of the mouth, eh? Like normally people would use like a flatter chisel and shave it down, but use a round, just use a round to save time. That's the main thing. Well, that's what I found more helpful for me. Tonight. How you doing, guys? Yeah, everyone quiet? He's all good? Or he's just vibing? Sabara Ofa au iho sino Chee. Looking nice. Look, so I want to make a box for my dad's ashes, a whole piece from the bottom. Suggested on the New Zealand legendary carver. It will kinda, I guess the most important thing you'd need to find first is probably the measurements. Measurements are key, center lines are key too. So you know you can put your dad's ashes in. That would be my first suggestion. Timber wise, whatever's accessible to you is the next one. But if you're going to carve or design it, keep in mind the depths. Hey, make sure the depths are good. And just take your time and do your dad proud. Hey, what's up, T-Monster? How are you, sir? Kia ora, Sea Monster. Hope Auntie is having a good afternoon. It'll be afternoonish there, or morning. Oh, no, we're good. Ihokulato. Ofa iho singo. I see you've been playing Destiny too. I've got 2 more missions to finish, and then I'll finish the campaign. I'm looking forward to the latest episode because it's got my all-time favorite character on that episode.
The strongest titan. The Violet King. Pigeon Admirer.
Hey, Mythology. Hold on, she's just looking for. Where is my 2? Oh, where is this chisel, bro? I swear if these kids are touching my damn tools again, they're gonna get a growling. Hey, Brock says again, good bro, good. Had a good start to my morning. I had a shit sleep, but practicing to something I've been trying to do every morning is think about one thing that I'm grateful for in life before I start my days. Hey girl, hold on, shit. I just want to go and look in the inside for this chisel. Might have fallen out my pick. Where's this chisel, bro? Oh, these little kids, man. Something they like doing is taking one of my chisels and hiding it. So I keep telling them it's extremely bloody dangerous. But what does Dad know, eh? Jeez. Oh, did you wanna come over? How you, Otter? All good? Then, with using a rounder to take off the general amount of timber, just makes it easier to, you know, get that round that you want, which is good. Did you ever get a growling off your uncle for using his tools back in the day? Nah. There was one idiot in our class though that thought he was funny. But no. My uncle was the same, like with his tools too. He goes, treat these like your girlfriend, even though you don't have one. And he said, well, you better not have one. But yeah, majority of the time, brother, most of us kind of, you know, figured, like, you know, have some respect for his tools. It was either that or get a kick up the ass, to be honest. And we chose to save our asses. Except for one. And that one, that one's not a carver these days. He's in a gang. Dumb question, no such thing as a dumb question, brother, but what? Sorry, I gotta extend the chat a bit there so I can see it. Dumb question, but what tree does the wood you work with come from? So this type of timber is called Rimu. R-I-M-U, brother. It's an okay timber. Like, I would prefer something else. But it's what was presented at the time, and so it's what we'll use. What's up, Shy? Yeah, it's all good, but there are better options out there at the same time. What do you call redwood trees in Totara? T-O-T-A-R-A. So T-O-R-E, pronounced Tor. Tara. There's some people like there are some. I had one tourist go, "That's Tara wood, eh?" And it's like, no, don't say that. He goes, "No, it's Tara wood. No, it's Totara." He goes, "No, Tara." I was like, "Bro, you're literally saying vagina wood in my language." And oh man, he went beetroot red, eh? And you know that side-eye emoji, or the girls in their tour group gave him that look. What do you prefer to work with? Majority of the time, like, obviously Totara would be ideal, depending on the project. But in all honesty, for me, it's any timber really. I prefer sometimes the ugliest of timber too, because the beauty of that is the challenge it presents. Yeah, it's like my bro. Don't say tara. Tō tara. He went pretty beetroot red after that. You're just lucky you had your tour guide wasn't listening, bro. She would have twacked you across the ears. Or just one of the aunties. I appreciate what you do and appreciate the answers. I'll let you give. No. Keep the questions coming. That's one of the other best things you could do. I'll be honest. I enjoy conversation along the way, brother. Because then when people don't talk, I start going full find the board. And I don't really like going full find the board because I stop talking. If you don't get the reference, the find the board reference, it's when Big Z from Surf's Up starts zoning out and just carving. Hey, country boy. Yeah, so it's slowly but surely start molding this face. One of my favorite movies besides the voice of Cody. It's coming a lot faster. Sure, my bro, good morning. Yeah, we're getting there. We went a bit full find the board yesterday, but we come out of it. Yeah, I never liked that movie for Big Z, eh? There's only two movies where I feel like I can relate to the references. Surf's Up, when Big Z's carving the board, and Abominable, when Mr. Burnish sees a tree that he likes. I like this tree. Box, do you have an online store? I don't, brother. The way I love to do things is more so how I'm doing the commission now, doing it live while talking to you guys. Although the recipient's not watching my stream, that's how I genuinely like to do it. Much love, my brother. But that's how majority of the time I like to do these pieces. Shit, I've got to ask you too. I don't know if it's like the latest craze amongst young people. What the hell is a skibbity? Shout out to Kenya as well, Double E. I have no idea what that means. I don't really keep up with terms. Yeah, normally with commissions I do, brother, just stick to like traditional Maori wood carving is what I do. Been doing it since I was 12. It's yeah, part of my culture too. Like for the last 4 years, it's been the main thing that I've wanted to share with the world. What the blessing I've been given. Oh. You wanna go down that rabbit hole? Some Generation Alpha brain rot. See, that explains it all. Is it like what is it? What was the other word all these young bucks were using? Sussy bucka, is it along those lines too? Yes, yeah, us millennials got a word for it too. Dickhead. Someone asked me if I was one of those. I was like, nah, I just touch my own wood in the morning. They're like, what the fuck? And I sent them a picture of me doing this. Of the carving. So yeah, I just like rubbing wood in the morning, and I was sent them a video of me doing this, and they got confused. And I was like, Generation Z. They finally told me after weeks of bugging them it's just a head spinning on the toilet. And oh, that silly thing. My goodness, the brain cells. Just got into that and holy shit. Grade A brain rot right there. Fuck, they come up with some dumb shit, eh? I feel like millennials' words are straight to the point. I always prefer to call myself Gen Y. 90s people are millennials, eh? There's a whole storyline behind it. What in the fucking One Piece? What in the One Piece? There's a whole storyline. Big Chungus was the start of all the brain. If it weren't for the meme, the world would be drastically different. Not gonna lie, I want Sleepy Joe to say that just for no apparent reason. I mean, he says a whole lot of nothing anyway, so... Call me a dickhead if he's want, but I think Sleepy Joe is a good name. That's Chunga. Bro, I swear, bro. Yeah, you guys have a legacy of dinosaurs running the country. Isn't Kanye West and The Rock running for president? Or were they just trying to get their likes up? I think they were just trying to get their likes up, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like they were just trying to get their likes up for that, Kanye West and The Rock. You're a great streamer. Thanks, Big Daddy Sweatlord. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, Sweatlord, looking at your badge, I was so disappointed at the end of the DLC that it wasn't my main man. I don't want to say too much, but oh. Can't believe we had to fight a Temu variant. He did formerly run odd, did he? Oh, okay. I thought he was memeing, not gonna lie. And had to pull out and couldn't answer. Hey, what you pulling out? Nah, I get you. I get you, son. Hey, yo, what you pulling out? Nah, you're good. You're good, brother. You're smoking bamba. I think my net's getting shitter by the week. Alright. On my heart, I will be vulnerable. Again, where we're apart. Looking good, my guy. You too, Waldemar, my brother. If you had to guess, how many pieces do you think you've carved in your career? Oh man, that's a hard question because I lost count when I was 13. Surely 500. Surely. But I have no idea. Yeah, I lost count. A whole human life ago. A whole human life ago, there's probably still living with their parents or going to school or something like that. And when you're gone, because you complete me. I can't breathe. What's the earliest carving of yours that you still own? The very first one I ever did, which is a wakahuia, but it belongs to my mum at the moment, you know. That was the first carving I ever did when I was 12 years old. When I turned 16, I moved out of home, moved here to do my senior year's high school here, and she still has it to this day. I'll be live tomorrow too, brother. Wait, what's tomorrow? Wednesday? Yeah, I should be live tomorrow. I know I got parent-teacher interviews on Thursday. Still got the first... Yeah, yes, she still has it. The first piece I ever carved, brother. Still got it. Still got it, my brother. Gonna try out the first Descendant. It comes out tomorrow. Oh, that's the one with the bunny girl everyone's blowing their loads over, eh? Is that game? I saw this other game last night too. It's like fuck, I forgot what it's called. Something punk. It's like Mad Max Street Punk kind of shooter. I might do. We'll see. I've just been enjoying RP lately, to be honest. I know it's a hot take, but yeah, it's garbage in my opinion. Like, yeah, he was a bit. He went a bit cooked there. I stopped following Kanye a long time ago, but he got bit more cooked than 2 eggs on the bloody concrete in Vegas, that guy. I think one thing I miss about America is the big ass drinks from 7-Eleven. Bro, those were some goated cups, man. Those were some goated cups, especially for a big boy like me. Like living another life, pretty much, my bro. Pretty much. But I normally stream it on my other gaming channel when I don't forget to go live. Hang on, I'll try and find this game. It's called Frag Punk. That's the game I saw yesterday. Do you want to watch it? We can watch it. Oh, actually no, because I got YouTube on. I'll get the link for you. I gotta be careful with the shit I watch now, just with now that I do the YouTube streams. I'll get the trailer for you guys. Yeah, it looks like an interesting game. Sorry, YouTube, it's called Frag Punk. I saw it yesterday. It looks interesting. Oi, fuck yeah, you ghost.
I said all good.
Yeah. Why, how you doing? You want a hug from your husband?
Yeah.
Chat, oil me, my wife is here. No.
What? What does that mean?
Sub. You alright?
Yeah. I'm just cleaning the house.
Oh, you cleaning the house? Oh, that's good.
Her house, not our house.
Yeah, clean our house.
Okay, let me go now.
No. What you reckon?
Cool.
Say something, man.
What do you want me to say?
Stop being short. You try not to be heard.
No, but looks good.
Alright. You snuck up on me, shit. Sorry there, chat. Fuck yeah. And when you're gone, I hope you're all having a good day, enjoying the stream as well. Much appreciated to those that are tuning in today as well, on both platforms. Don't let me. Is there such a thing as a posh Maori accent because your wife sounds well spoken? It's because she went to an English school. That's just her in general, like her normal voice. You know how we all have that phone voice? Hers is naturally that. But I swear, bro, the country mouth comes out sometimes. Trust me when I say that, the country mouth comes out sometimes. Gotta drop that eye down some more. Whoop. think Tuesdays are mainly a quiet day for streams in general. Because I know it's Monday for most. The Monday Iris. Get in there. I can't breathe. Yeah. Yep. Hey, what up, JT? Having us move fast and looking great. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, she's moving, my bro. She's moving, which is it feels good too. Moving in the right direction, that's for sure. Hope you're well, my bro, and the fams as well. So we just finished kind of rough molding the head and the mouth. I mutated. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, good sir. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you for the good vibes. Love watching your work. Thank you, man. Thank you, Jim Lark, for the 100 biddies as well, my bro, and the kind words. Does this syrup or is it just like a hobby? No, it's a passion. It's what I love to do. That's what I love to do in life as well. So I've been doing it since 12 years old, but why I constantly, do it every day is because of my people, my ancestors, who did this before I did, They're the ones. So everything I do within Whakairo is generational knowledge that's been passed down through the generations. And that's always been a very, very big drive for me. How did I attain this knowledge? Through my uncle, who was my teacher. And I carried on my learning in my 20s. And I went to a carving school to upskill and learn more. Learn all the tribal styles, everything that I could learn, And essentially this has been a lifelong relationship with this art form. It was a way for my ancestors to basically, pass down knowledge, tell our stories. Because we didn't have any written language. We were more of an oral culture, more of a, storytelling through the arts and the performing arts. No pen and paper whatsoever. And there were points in our culture where it was almost lost. There was a big point in our history, in our culture, where it became illegal by the government. And just some of the many reasons why I will continue to do this until the day I die. And pass it on to the next. That's what I've been doing with streaming and outside of stream too, is talking to rangatahi or the younger generation about it. And I think one thing I will toot my horn a little bit about is that this stream has made a generation of young Maori kids want to pursue something from our culture as well. And this is essentially what we need to, keep it going. That's all there is to it. I mean, they're in books, but the best way to do it is by seeing it being done in front of you. And some students have also asked for help in terms of like applying for the carving school I went to as well, or just asking for help in general. Cheer, brother Ora. Yeah. And yeah, I've got a lot of whys why, I keep going and pushing and pushing. It's because I feel like, in a sense, we're all here to leave a legacy behind for the next. And then, and for me, I just want to leave a legacy behind when I'm long and gone for everyone around the world. If they can take something from what they've seen through my journey and utilize it in their lives, then there's a W in my eyes. From the Philippines, thanks, Frenzium. Yeah. So with streaming, yeah, it was definitely to share my culture, and it still is to this day, and to capture the attention of all these skibbity generation millennial young people to show that you can do anything in life that you're passionate about, And another one is the target audience of the Maori generation is that, our ancestors left a legacy for us here that can still be utilised in the modern day. Yeah. Because I always ask young Maori kids, or indigenous kids in general, like, what's the biggest advantage you got in this world? And, they give the typical answers like, oh, I'm fast and all that stuff, yada yada yada. And then, okay, the answer I'm looking for is the biggest advantage you have in this world is your indigenous culture, or your culture in general. That's what makes you who you are today. Samoa mai, Maori mai, Tonga mai. No, we take mai. Everyone abroad, really. And that's all my TikTok and all that's for, just because, you know, all these little buggers are on their phones all day, so... That's how we, you know, show them. Like a lot of my cousins, my little cousins from home, they go like, "Far, did you travel the world doing Whakairo?" I was like, "Yeah, I was in Vegas last year." Like, remember when your mum and dad laughed at me for wanting to pursue Whakairo and my own passions? Like, one of my cousins wants to be like the first, you know, professional Maori drifter, and do it. Look at ways and avenues now instead of doing dumb shit. I love that explanation of why. Yeah, so shallow. So not so much with this piece with Whakairo, because a lot of the time we carve our ancestors. And speaking of one god in particular, Tane Mahuta, who is the god of the forest, and he's also the creator of the first human being. Sorry to all the pro males out there in the world, who was a woman. Blew life into her, the breath of life, enchanted the words, and she came to life. So in a sense, blowing on the chips is imitating Tane Mahuta for that. You're trying to be him. And it's very whakahiti, like it's very... You're being that guy if you're trying to blow the breath of life into, you know, what we're essentially carving are his children. But yeah. FYI, yep. Tane Mahuta created the first human who was a woman, who later found out that, you know, being his partner, found out she was his daughter, and then she later became the goddess of death, who essentially killed Maui in the long run. That's why we can die today. Very unfortunate terms of events, I'll say that much. So yes, a long time ago, Maui wanted to reverse the effects of death for humans. Unfortunately, he did not succeed because we can die. How did he get caught? He turned into a little ngangara or bug. He went into the domain of Hinenui Te Po, aka the goddess of death, and started crawling up her leg. So the way we are born was the way he was going to go back in and come out of her mouth to reverse the effects of death. But because birds in the domain of Hinenui Te Po saw him and laughed at him, she woke up, saw him, and crushed him between her legs. And that's how Maui died. Huge L. Huge L. And yeah, that's how the story goes of how Maui died. He tauira anō koe I te katoa ngā tangata e hia ana ki te whai te ara Whakairo. I'm no rangatahi these days, but straight up being able to watch your videos gives me so much insight when you don't have people to carve with. Ai, tika kei te rai. A lot of, feel like te nuinga o ngā tangata e mahi nei I ngā mahi roto I te ao Maori. Ahua matapiko ki te toha I ngā mātauranga ētahi, engari ko te nuina e pīrani ana ki te toha I ngā mātauranga. Not the best way to go out, I have to admit that, yeah, dude, went out, yeah. Yeah, but what a way to go out. Man got the watermelon muscle mummy treatment. Ala the vibe. Yeah, so that's how Maui do. So keep in mind, this is coming from my grandfather's perspective. He always acknowledged Maui as a Polynesian ancestor. He never called him a Maori ancestor because Maui was essentially an ancestor who would aid everyone within Te Moana Nui a Kiwa abroad, being the Polynesian Triangle. Yeah, so he didn't really... Well, to my grandfather, he always said, like, he wasn't tied down to one people in my view. And that's just kind of how I see Maui, like my grandfather. There's a lot of people that go, rah, 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 he was Maori. Rah, rah, rah. I was like, oh, shush. I'm gatekeeping an ancestor. Just like how some Maori are so closed, not open-minded to the fact that we are Polynesians too. But that's when, as I always mention, that's that Shrek syndrome, eh? When they pull the pitchfork out and you're wrong! Hey, what's up, B-boy? Ai mara ke pai rana ki te kōrero tētahi atu mea pai no tūhoi anō hoki. Ka ko mai te ahua tonga o ngā mātone. Ai, ai. Whew. How we doing, guys? Real good? We're getting a lot done today, which is good too. Yo, did you ever get a fright from your like Spotify DJ? Cause I was legit just I was at the gym one day and he said, "Hello." I was like, "Who the fuck is talking to me?"
I'm your Spotify DJ.
Huh? Thank you very much to Ahoj for the Optimus Prime. I was once been had a few cold nights, so like the dumb thing about our house is it's half insulated. And the dumb thing about it is with our girls growing we gave them the bigger room, and unfortunately that's the half insulated part of the house. So these last few weeks I've been letting them sleep with their mum, or we'll just, you know, or huddle up in the we'll huddle up in the lounge, sleep marae style. Hey, thank you, Bluesy, for the read. Kia ora. Yeah, it hasn't been great, but just trying to keep our kids warm. That's the main thing. Thank you for the raid, man. Kaizu, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Yo, JJ with the 50 months. Holy shit, we've officially been streaming for 50 months. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit, that's a long time. Dad would just say, put on some socks and a shit and you'll be fine. Bro, not gonna lie, that's how I kinda just the kids up over the pajamas too, but it's the mother. But it's the mum that says, "Oh, not all of us slept in a non-insulated house." I was like, whoa, don't come at me like that. That is a very long time, brother. Insulation keeps yourself too. Yeah, like I won't lie, my ideal room is like I normally like sleeping with the window open. You know how when you're cold and you need like the steam breath? That was the room I kinda slept in back in the day, to be honest. And I didn't mind it at all. 50 months, JJ. Far up. You know the jam that I've been listening to every morning? The Gambler by Kenny Rogers, eh? That's such a vibey song, man. Man, if I had it my way, I'd sleep in a meat locker. I know what you mean, but my degenerate mind thought about something else. Probably like, for fuck's sakes, Brooks. Could being a DJ. Know when to hold her. Know when to hold her. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. When the deal is done. Know when to walk away, know when to run. Count your money. Out of the country? Ooh, I'll listen to that one. I was listening to this, I was like, fuck, I'm turning into my grandfather. All on the bayou. Some solid progress today, Chatterino, which is very good. Hey, what's up, RCQ over on YouTube? KTP here, quick. There ain't any more as much real than gold. Do 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 do. Spreading all around.
Frank Oregon.
Are inspiring to us all these two. Yeah, shit. Kia ora, Mac. There's the bones in my back. The government say your Iranian favors come and got me down. Spreading all around. Do 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 do.
Stand them up. Goes power. So I can kind of see where it's going, eh? So with our green, it's going down. Instead of cutting like straight down, we'll slightly go across so it gets a better shape. instead of like, you know, rounding it that way, how you would go down, go across, and you should be give a much better shape. How long went so that's on like what, 4 hours, eh? 4 hours maybe? So yeah, this is what you could do. So this is an option if you just want to carve straight down. Like just carving down. But me personally, I like going in somewhat of an angle. Even up the top here, we haven't even gone to the line that I set. Like the depth line in terms of like molding, but I feel like the shape that we have there is quite nice. So we still have a lot of timber to get a bit more of a shape, but I like the soft, subtle round that we have here in the head, and even along here too. But we've got so much timber, like heaps, that we can still drop down. Even this nose, there's still too much nose here, so we're going to drop it down again. This eye, drop it down again, so we have more emphasis on the depths. So here, and there. So that's something that we're going to do. What am I carving? A manaya. So depths plays a major role if you want, you know, the initial presentation of it. Like even this here, heaps of timber there, so I'm gonna drop it right down. I want no more than that much, so from the top line of my thumb to there, that's all that I want left on this section. And yeah, that's not much. So yeah, we still got a lot of timber to play with to do all those depths. That's too shallow for my liking. So that piece there is here to there. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. So you can see. Looking good, thank you. And it looks like it could be 2 snakes. Yeah, in a sense, it kind of looks like it, eh? So Manaya takes inspiration from our birds. The reason why there's 2
Just because it's an intertwining of 2 birthdays. So 2 Manayas for 2 birthdays. But I just want to make sure we finish on a solid effort today. Before we finish whenever they may be. Whoa! What a nut, don't you? How are we today? Very good, very nice. Just really enjoying the progress we've been making. Anyone playing the new Final Fantasy expansion? How is it? How's Pictomancer? Is this the class I'm interested in? I just gotta top up. Yeah, pretty much, Oliver. Siblings. Oh, you're a twin as well. Have a great night. Sure, Tiff. Have a good one. The shadow in the light, I'll be right by your side. The light is shining on our prison of love. How are we doing, beautifuls? All good? Beautiful souls? Call it shade, and the sun in the winter, it's fading away. I'll be right by your side. Yellow light is shining on us. Do twins have a significance in Maori folklore, myth? I think culture has some kind of story with what looks. I've never really heard of anything within Maori culture, but you know there have been twins throughout Maori culture in general. Some great warriors, some great leaders, some, backstabbers, if you will. So that they rule, normally it was the younger brother. Yeah. Like a dragon. A bird. Yeah. Not really sure, like, for signs of good luck or anything like that. I haven't heard any throughout my life, I'd say.
Hold on, shit. Hold on, chat. Have a beautiful one, brother JT. Always good to see you, my brother. Love to you and the fams. I might have to finish up soon to check out some family stuff going on. I just want to get this done first. Hey. What are we thinking? How's it look? Look nice? Hey, good boy. So we like to see, cat. Yeah, looks pretty good, eh? So genuinely we got to mold the face, get a starter mold on it, which is good. I'm happy about that. What we need to do now, so cleanups will begin on the next stream. Normally I try and go for 3 hours on stream, but my sister-in-law's not in a good headspace right now, so I'm gonna finish up early and go and spend some time with her and my wife, just to, you know, be a good husband for my wife and help her sister who's in need. So yeah, that's gonna be us for today. I'm constantly thinking about them, so I think it would make sense to, you know, we got some good progress in. I know I don't like doing short streams, but when it comes to family matters, I gotta do what I have to. Bit of a slow day today, but all in all, I appreciate the support today as well.
Yeah, this gonna be us for today, Chitty Lala.
Alright, I'll see all you beautiful people tomorrow, okay? That goes to everyone on YouTube as well. Appreciate you tuning in. Everyone on Twitch as well. Much appreciated for all the support today. And we'll come back to it tomorrow. For now, yeah, I have to put the mental health of my sister-in-law first, okay? So have a good one. Love and appreciate you all. Bye-bye.